Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a fall makeup tutorial. The first one we're going to start with is Wet n Wild Matte Mate for a face primer. Go ahead and apply that all over your face. Make sure you get every single crick and crevice. Next we're going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Normal to Oily, and it's going to be in the shade 115 Ivory. Taking a makeup blender, we're going ahead and apply it to the face. Make sure that you get in every crick and crevice just like before, especially around the nose. Now you notice I still have some red right here. We're going to go ahead and take care of that with some concealer. We're going to be using the L'Oreal True Match in a classic ivory. The brush you're going to use is the Wet n Wild flat brush. Next, we're going to be using the Maybelline Master Contour Kit from Light to Medium. We're also going to be using the Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics Terracotta Bronzer. We're going to be taking a Wet n Wild angled brush, and we're going to go ahead and use the Contour Kit by Maybelline and swipe upwards to make our face look slimmer. Make sure to get all the way to the sides of your face. I also like to take a little bit and get under my jaw just so it gives that illusion of a slimmer look. Using the same brush, we're going to go ahead and take the Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics, the Terracotta Bronzer, and go over that Maybelline. Having the Maybelline Contour Kit again, we're going to go ahead and take a e.l.f. highlight brush and grab some of the highlighter and go ahead and highlight. Now remember, this is a natural look, so I'm not going for a very strong, prominent highlighter. Again, then we're going to take the Maybelline Contour Kit, and with a bamboo brush, we're going to do a trick that my grandmother taught me. You take a little bit of the contour and put it right under your bottom lip to give it the illusion of a bigger lip. Go ahead and move on to the eyeshadow. We're going to be using the CoverGirl True Naked Sunsets palette. Using the same bamboo brush before, we're going to use the very last eyeshadow, which is like a dark coral color, and we're going to apply that in the crease. And taking a fluffy blending brush, we're going to go ahead and blend that out. Then taking that same bamboo brush again, we're going to go to the second eyeshadow, which is like a pearl shimmer color. I'm going to apply that on the lid. And taking the e.l.f. crease brush, we're actually going to get the fourth darkest palette color, which is going to be a dark crimson color, and we're going to take that to the very corners on the outside of the eye. Taking the Wet n Wild blending brush, we're going to go to the third color on the palette, which is a gold shimmer, and blend it in across the entire lid, making everything look smooth. To do eyeliner, and we're going to take the Alomay pen eyeliner in 208 Black Noir and start on our eyeliner. I chose not to do a cat wing because it's really not my type of thing, and I'm going for more of a natural look, but it's up to you whether you want to spice things up and do a wing. Decided to go ahead and do eyeliner on my waterline, and I did a very thin line so it's not too noticeable and it looks natural. I decided to not do mascara or put any fake lashes on, but that's up to you. This part we have two choices on the lipstick. We have the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in the color Out Loud, or we have Victoria's Secret, which is the Velvet Matte in Drama. Alright you guys, that's it. If you could please subscribe, leave a comment, and like the video, and let me know what you thought about this look, or if you would like me to do another one. Thanks again.